Hi friends, this is Andy from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the procedure to basically disassemble the base of the Asus E203NAH mini laptop. If you look, the laptop looks like this on the top panel, and once opened up, it basically looks like this on the inside. 11.6 inches mini laptop, and you close it. The base is something that looks like this. Then you can apply this particular procedure. Alright, the things that you need for disassembling this particular laptop is a screwdriver set. You need a triangle prior like this, and a prior like this. Plus, it's always ideal you have a different kind of screws put in these different compartment boxes so that it does not get confused. The first thing first we need to do is flip the laptop, and as you can see, there is this maintenance hatch, and you would feel that the RAM is immediately accessible, but let's see how it goes. So we need to open this one screw here. Just comes off. So the hard drive is directly accessible, so people who are wanting to replace the hard drive, they can just directly remove this one maintenance hatch and now remove these 4 screws. Now you can just pull the hard drive, and the hard drive will give away. This is basically a 2.5 SATA hard drive, as you can see, and there are 4 more screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which are basically the frame holding onto the hard drive. So just take a SSD of 2.5 SATA form factor, and you can put in this particular laptop. So let's head towards the base. You need to know that there are different screws for different areas. The hinge screws are small one, and these 1, 2 and 3 screws, the screw we have already removed, which is holding the maintenance hatch. 1 and 2, these 2 screws are larger in size, so keep them aside. Then these 2 screws are again longer in size. They are different from this particular screw set, so be very sure when you are removing the screws, and keep them separately. Alright, so all the screws have been removed, as you can see. Now you need to take a prier and start prying from this part here. Just try to remove the base. There will be some crackling sound, don't worry about that. The base will very easily give away. As you can see, the base is off now. Surprise, surprise. There's no DIMM slot where you can put a upgrade this particular laptop, so that's a really bad thing to have. Okay, so we have the battery over here. The Wi-Fi chip is also soldered onto this particular motherboard, so that is another bad thing. Fine, then the keyboard connector is over here. So now if you want to remove the battery and replace the battery, say in a scenario 2 years from today, with this relatively new laptop, you need to remove this notch here first, and then remove this particular connector. Then remove these 2 screws. One screw is over here, another screw is over here, and you can remove the battery and replace it. But the thing is, you need to be careful because the speaker wire is intertwined over here, so be very careful when you're doing it. So you can take a Asus B31, B as in Bangkok, 31 National 1629, B31N1629 battery. This is a 42 watt-hour battery which Asus has given a decent good amount of backup that it gives you because the processor is pretty low end. So this is the max upgradability. Actually, nothing beyond this can be upgraded. So let us just refit the whole thing. Alright, so we're done here. We have shown you how to basically replace the hard drive to an SSD, or maybe to from a faulty hard drive to a new hard drive, and also in the process we've shown you how to remove the base and also replace the battery of the Asus 203 NA laptop. This is the netbook series of Asus right now here in 2018. Hope you liked our video, guys. Do let us know your suggestions and comments, and don't forget to subscribe to us. All the parts are available on our website techstore.co.in. Thank you so much, guys.